Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the headset is not directly reading onto your PC using the Turtle Beach headphone. First, when connected to a PC via USB, the headset is detected as the Turtle Beach USB headset, or insert model name here and chat. Now into the Windows sound menu, go on to the Start and Control panel. You can search it by selecting on this and type here on to the control panel and go on to the hardware and sound. Go to the sound section, and the Turtle Beach headset should be listed under the recording tab as this one of these names. Now, if your Windows does not recognize the headset, you can try the following. Like if you have many USB devices attached to your PC, try removing most of them and then reconnect the headset back into the USB port, and then try reconnecting or connecting to different USB ports onto your laptop or PC. Now, third is to disconnect the headset first. Restart your PC and then plug it back in. Now, fourth is to try plugging the headset's USB plug into another Windows PC or laptop to see if the headset is recognized there. If it is not recognized on another computer, there may be an issue without the primary computer. If it's not detected, then the headset might be defective, and you will want to contact their support on to their official website, which is the Turtle Beach. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.